I'll get a wrench. I'm going to use a screwdriver and I'm going to open this up. Since this pump doesn't move, there's a shaft inside. Since this shaft doesn't move, the device switches to F7. Immediately, I reset the device again from here. I'm doing this so that at least the card will move to a pump again. Right now from here, there is a bag in this. I went to it and had it looked at like this. I forced it to turn. Already this way, the pump starts working. F support. That's exactly how we can fix the F server failure. I'm gonna have to go back. Let's shut it down. I mean, what can be done to prevent this from happening? If you open it from time to time when you come, like you said, yes, I do. Exactly like that. If you turn the black mold off from the screen, as long as you turn it off from off, it cycles itself once a day for 24 hours and 23 hours. Then it will not malfunction.